Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about dwarf plants that we use in our landscapes that are perennials. The first plant that I want to chat with you about is one called ice plant. Now, keep in mind that when we say perennial, what that means is that they will go away in the wintertime, they'll die back, and then they'll come back and add color and texture over the spring and summer. So the ice plant it's only going to get somewhere around 6 inches, maybe a foot tall at the very tallest, and has very pretty blooms on it. The next one is called Heuchera. This one we use mostly because it has a lot of times we'll find it in a purple leafed color, but then it also will send up some soft white or pink blooms on it. A good one to use, these have all been shade plants. A good one to use in shade is also there's one called Leopard Plant, which has big saucer-shaped leaves to it. This one will get up a little larger than you might expect. It's going to get somewhere around a foot or so tall, maybe a foot and a half. It's very unusual looking, but it's a really nice looking plant. For the sun, a couple of plants I've got for you would be the dwarf Mexican petunia. The original version of that was very, very aggressive and would get 3 or 4 feet tall. This is the dwarf version, which only gets maybe 9 inches to a foot tall. It's a very consistent bloomer. It loves hot weather. It will fill in and spread, but it's not nearly as aggressive as the original one. The leaves look a little bit like liriope, but then it's got a real nice bloom to it. And then the last one I've got for you for the sun is a plant called Perennial Dianthus. This one has pink blooms on it that stick up on kind of like stalks, and it'll get complete with the stalk maybe a foot and a half tall or so. But even when it's not blooming, it has a nice silvery look to it that's kind of a mound shape. So it's a great plant to add into your landscape. All of these are good plants to use in front of the evergreen plants to provide color and texture. So I hope this helps. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company. If you like these videos, please send them to your friends and your family and subscribe to our YouTube channel.